Green Star Precision Technology connects you with a smarter way of doing business. Increased productivity, efficiency, and profitability, less consumption and waste, reduced input costs, user-friendly technology, fast return on the investment, more control and quicker response time, and less stress and effort at the end of the day. Year-round application, faster field performance, reduced input costs, stronger yields. Green Star Precision delivers all of these and more. Employ any of the groundbreaking Green Star Precision solutions from our full products lineup and watch your bottom line grow. From the moment the tires hit the soil to the last harvest of the year, this advanced yet user-friendly technology is ready to make you money year after year in all areas of your business. The natural question surrounding any precision purchase is, will it pay? Parallel tracking and auto track precision guidance is one area you'll see the biggest and most obvious gains in efficiency and profitability. University studies have shown ag equipment operators tend to overlap 5 to 10% over the course of an entire day, which could mean up to 4 feet of overlap with a 40-foot implement. Think about how much 5 to 10% more fuel, fertilizer, seed, chemicals, and time might cost the average user. Now reduce those numbers to 1 to 2 inches of overlap, which can be accomplished by using a guidance system like AutoTrack. Productivity is very important to any successful farming operation. A greater number of acres can be covered when a machine is traveling across the field at higher speeds. AutoTrack allows operators to travel faster throughout the working day while maintaining the correct path through the field. AutoTrack allows operators to be more productive as they focus on tasks other than steering while traveling down the field. When operators have to spend their entire workday manually steering a machine while watching for obstacles and confirming the implement is operating as designed, they get very tired. Using the AutoTrack assisted steering system greatly reduces strain on the operator because the system accurately guides the vehicle down the best possible path, all the while allowing the operator to focus on other tasks at hand.
Well, we've been using the auto steer for 2 years now and really enjoyed it. You can't believe the difference it makes in a day's time. In combining, it's really made a big difference for me because you could set, once you get your auto steer, you don't have to worry about, well, are you cutting too much, taking a full swath, or where you're at and keeping your eye on that end all the time. You know it's going to go down that line, and you have time to you do a little better job of looking at the beans, your cutter bar, see how you're cutting. The reel, we unload on the go. We run a 35-foot head, which makes it pretty close to our auger wagon. I mean, once you get field set up, you can get it on auto steer. You have time to look at things as well. You're not always watching where you have to be and keeping a straight row. That's already taken care of. We have straight rows, and I've had very good assistance from Josh. He's just a phone call away, and he'll talk me through a lot of things, and then if we have a problem, he'll come up and he gets us going, and but a lot of it he can do right over the phone. Most of the time, I think I'm getting better. I hope I'm getting better. Figuring out some things. which I say I'm not a computer person, and I'm learning more and more, and it's getting easier all the time. But being around it. But if I do have a problem, I give Josh a call, and he'll get me straightened out. He'll work through it, and most times just a few minutes he's got me up and running. And
Row sense is the next step to pinpoint accuracy in corn harvesting. Fusing together satellite position data from the Starfire receiver with mechanical feeder data gathered from the row sensors enables the operator to reach greater levels of productivity. This system accurately guides the vehicle down each path in the field using mechanical feelers that are installed on the approved corn heads. The combine is guided by the data gathered from the feelers, which is then aligned with the corresponding satellite position data to guide the combine along the rows. Harvesting at a consistent speed around curbs, through waterways, or weeds is easy with this automatic guidance system. AutoTrack Row Sense helps everyone achieve real precision, and once you have seen it, you won't want to harvest without it again. Inclement weather and high winds can be brutal on a crop, especially corn. Growers with experience navigating through down corn know how difficult it is to follow the correct path through the field. With AutoTrack Row Sense, the system accurately guides the combine down the field path. The feelers take the lead, accurately guiding the combine by feeling the base of the corn stalk.
And down corn, your eyes don't hurt as bad trying to find the row, because it'll keep on the road pretty good. Standing corn, it just takes a lot of stress off of you, so you can watch stuff other than driving all the time. I'd give up a lot of things before I'd give any of my auto steer stuff up. That's probably one of the best investments we've made on our farm, is the auto steer and the row sensors for the corn head. And actually in the tillage, you don't overlap very much. I mean, you can set that where we try to overlap maybe 3 to 6 inches, and most of the time, like with a cultivator, it's nothing to be overlapping 3-4 foot without it, or leaving some skips at times. And of a night, if you don't have real good lights, we got one tractor that don't have very good lights, and it worked pretty good at night on it. We had one field last year that was right to the line, 10 bushel difference in the beans. And we went back and started looking how we'd done our tillage practices and our herbicide and fertilizer, and found out that where we sprayed our beans and burned them is a lot better than where we didn't. It showed where we shut the sprayer on and off. So it paid us good to know that. Yep, and we noticed in planting, we'd always come in of a night with headaches, and our neck would be out of place all the time. That's just stopped now because of the auto steer, because you're not sitting there tense all the time. And beans, it's real nice. You can make an angle the way you want it, and you stay straight all the time. And of a night, when you can't see, you don't have to worry about it, because it's going to go anyway. On a John Deere combine, they got a lot of dust coming out of the front of that, and times you can't see. That used to be a real issue, but it's not as bad now with auto steer, because you don't have to worry about seeing as much.
With the help of GPS, methods are changing, and not just acre by acre, but inch by inch. Science fiction writers got it wrong. The final frontier isn't space, but the corn, soybean, and wheat fields of the Midwest. Farmers across the heartland are using GPS-based precision agriculture to boost efficiency, increase yields, and protect the environment. John Deere and Sydenstrickers continues to be at the forefront of this revolution. So whether you want to reduce input and labor costs, increase efficiency, or better manage your land, turn to Sydenstrickers, your partner in growing a better tomorrow.
At Sydenstrickers, we are committed to providing our customers with the service and support they need to utilize precision agriculture solutions. We know that precision technology will be used in fields for years to come, so it is our goal to be your partner as the technology continues to grow. We offer an AMS service agreement to support you at all times in order to help you get the most out of your farming business.